This comes from Eggmazing, and this is a great way to decorate your Easter eggs. This particular one's a dragon egg decorator. Okay, there's 6 in here. Underneath this are our directions on what to do. Inside of these eggs are these little 3D printed dragons. And they just go right back in, close them up, pop them right back on, and there's 6 of these in here. And then you just have to remember that the decorators are sold separately. So this right here is just gonna be the 6 eggs that are the dragon egg decorator, and then the egg decorator sold separately.